Hello, I am Sahajpreet Kaur. Welcome to my channel. Hello, my happy viewers. Hope you all are enjoying. So today I want to share something that's old regime of mine, which I believe it very well. So I want to share that so that you can get benefits of that. We all know that if we get good night sleep, so our mornings are very happy, good day, enjoyable, relaxed. So it's not all about physical and mental health, but our beauty and skin also needs that relaxation. So for that, I'll tell you about night care routine. Important night care routine you must follow. It's like, firstly, don't please put your makeup on and sleep. Never. If you are too much late from your work or anywhere, take your time to remove your makeup, clean your face, and moisturize your skin. Yes. And I believe that you should always moisturize it with something natural. Home remedies. It is wonders. So you can have milk cream, that's malai. Malai has that properties, it's anti-inflammatory, explorator properties that make your skin remove that dead skin cells actually. We are exposed to so much dust pollution throughout the day. So to remove that dead skin, we have to use this malai. And it give you a natural glow in the morning, surely. And if you don't feel like to put malai on your face overnight, you can have coconut oil. Coconut oil hydrated since 24 hours. It's that property that locks your moisture very well from the skin. And it's anti-aging properties also. It's have antibacteria and antioxidant, that's vitamin A and E. So that helps to slow down your aging process, gives you that glow in your face, and retain that exfoliatory experience, that natural thing. You can see that because coconut oil is always best for your hydration. It is known to be an anti-inflammatory properties that when you expose you to sun and radiance, it's like that. It's also used as sunscreen also, you know. So while applying it for overnight, and you can see the next morning your face is already hydrated very well. Coconut oil remove all your dryness, brighter glowing skin. And one more important thing is that if you use coconut oil for your skin, make it a point it's 100% coconut oil. Yes, it will be extra virgin coconut oil, organic coconut oil. So make it a point कि आप चाहें तो खुद जाके आप ऑयल निकलवा भी सकते हैं. आजकल ये भी सहूलियत अवेलेबल है, तो बेस्ट रहेगा कि आप कोकोनट लेके जाएं या उनसे लें, दे सामने ऑयल निकलवाएं, दैट यू यूज़ फॉर योर स्किन. डोंट यूज़ दैट मार्केट प्रोडक्ट्स फॉर योर स्किन. यूज़ कोकोनट ऑयल दैट इज ऑर्गेनिक. And one next thing you can use is the almond oil. It's badam rogan. It have that thing that can reduce all your जैसे दाग धब्बे या कोई आपके हाथ से निकलते हैं या प्रॉपर्टी ऐसी हैं आपकी स्किन, तो उसको बिल्कुल ही ठीक कर देगा. बिकॉज इट इज़ एंटी प्रॉपर्टीज इट हैव, इट इज़ एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स, एंटी बैक्टीरिया. तो आपकी स्किन से कोई भी मुहासे, दाग धब्बे वो सब दूर कर देगा. और आपके लिए जो फाइन लाइंस या रिंकल्स, ऐसी चीज़ें की प्रॉब्लम्स आप फेस कर रहे हैं, तो उससे भी आलमंड ऑयल आपको बहुत रिलीफ देगा. लिटिल बिट मसाज योर फेस विद दैट आलमंड ऑयल, बादाम रोगन. एंड फॉर दैट कि ऑयल से मसाज में आपकी स्किन के जो पोर्स हैं वो बहुत क्लीन हो जाते हैं. आपकी स्किन में अंदर सारा ऑयल मॉइस्चराइज लॉक्ड हो जाता है, जिससे आपके पोर्स क्लीन होते हैं. फिर आपकी स्किन में जो ऑयलीनेस या फिर पिंपल्स प्रॉब्लम है तो वो सॉल्व हो जाएगी. एंड फॉर डार्क सर्कल्स इट्स द बेस्ट रेमेडी. डू अप्लाई आलमंड ऑयल अंडर योर आईज so that you can have that good looking eyes forever. And one most important reason you just all must do is applying ghee on your belly button. Yes, applying ghee on your navel point give your skin brighter and glowing forever, and the all dryness of your skin is removed forever. It's all hydrated your skin, brighter glow to your skin. And not only for your skin, applying ghee on your navel point give your hair that strength. Yes, the hair fall problem been solved and your hair are more shinier and strengther. Joint pains also be relieved from this method if you apply ghee on your navel point before you go to sleep. You can get relief from your joint pains, muscles pains. And one more thing, apply ghee on your lips also. It's give you smooth silky lips forever, and lightens the darker lips also. If you have darker lips, it lightens out that also. So you must do this regime daily. Apply a little ghee, just one drop of in your navel point. Just massage it very well before you go to sleep. And this is all about your face and skin. So now one most important thing is your hair. Yes, we do a lot of hairstyles throughout the day. We can have that buns, we have that exposure to sun. So our hair also need that relaxation and calmness. So always brush comb your hair before you sleep. Just from root to tip, massage for several minutes. एंड इट विल एक्चुअली द नेचुरल ऑयल जो हमारे स्कैल्प में है वो सब जगह डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाता है ऐसे करने से, और हमारी जो हेयर ग्रोथ है और जो हमारे हेयर हैं वो और शाइनर एंड ब्राइटर हो जाते हैं. और आपके कोई भी हेयर फॉल की प्रॉब्लम है या आपको हेयर में कोई भी ऐसी फ्रीजीनेस है, दैट्स ऑल्सो रिलीव. ऑलवेज कॉम्ब योर हेयर बिफोर यू गो टू बेड फॉर सेवरल मिनट्स. And with this you can improve your sleep quality also. Yes, it's like blood circulation आपकी scalp से हो जाता है एक तरह का, जैसे आप कॉम करते हो तो it's like a circulation of your blood flow very well, so relieves your tension and you have more relaxed and comfortable sleep. You will try it and you will feel like that someone is massaging on your hair, like that you feel, and you feel more lighter when you sleep. It's very effective. And lastly, योर फीट. यस, हम पूरा दिन भाग दौड़ करते हैं यहाँ वहाँ हमारी लाइफ में, तो सबसे ज़्यादा इफेक्ट हमारे फीट्स को पड़ता है जो हमारे साथ साथ हमारी लाइफ में रन कर रहे हैं. तो फीट को आप हमेशा वॉश करें बिफोर यू गो टू स्लीप. वॉश योर फीट वेरी वेल एंड मेक इट अ ड्राई. एक्चुअली डोंट वेट स्लीप विद योर वेट फीट्स. पैक ड्राई वेरी वेल and apply coconut oil. Yes, apply coconut oil on your feet also to give that moisture and retain that thing that locks the your calmness in your feet, and you will feel like that one have done a pedicure like that. I'm telling you, it's like that. When you washed your feet, massage it for a few minutes, when you lie on the bed you feel, wow, I just want to sleep. It's so, the circulation of blood is so very well used, and it's very good for your feet and for your mental, physical and health. So please guys, have this little bit time before you go to bed. Do love to yourself, actually pamper yourself so that you have next glowing, healthier morning. So follow this routine from today only and feel the change. Thank you. Be positive.